Okay, new video. We're at the LZ warehouse. Adam's nice enough to let me use the shop to finish the car up. Car is now painted. Just gonna wait for the kit to be painted and get it back to normal and looking good again. So we are starting to finish the wiring on the car. Freddy over there already has finished all the chassis wiring and all that kind of stuff. And now, first thing we're gonna do is get the radium fuel rail. I got FIC 1100 injectors going in the radium fuel rail. And then actually, Freddy was gonna make his own injector harness, but then the guys over at Unicorn Garage made us a brand new injector harness for like $100 and something bucks. Totally worth it. Super sick, super nice. That makes Freddy's life a lot easier. It saves like 4 hours of time. So it's always good saving time and having a nice product. So first thing is we're gonna get the injectors and the rail on, but right now the injectors are over here being cleaned because they're, you know, used and not that clean, but they're being cleaned now. So it'll be real nice to have clean injectors, fresh new stuff, and stuff ready to go. So that's first thing on the list. And then tomorrow he's gonna wire the front with the lights, the fans, and then finally finish the ECU wiring. I won't be here, I have to work. So I'll have to fill you guys in after he does it all. But tonight we're gonna focus on this, and then I might get some stuff back on the car, like taillights and stuff, when he's doing other stuff. So here we go. What's up, guys? New video here. New to the channel. We are in the middle of doing my new 240 SX rebuild. My car was very ghetto, spray painted, stock ECU, stock whatever, single turbo, kind of just thrown together, and it worked. And now we refreshed the entire car, paint, body, wiring, fab, cooling, everything that's important on the car is changed and now properly done. So we are here at Spectuned. Freddy is my tuner, a really good friend of mine. Met 2 years ago after buying my YSF from him, and we became good friends over the years. And he rewired the entire car, as you guys know. Did an amazing job. It looks amazing. It's already performing amazing. So we're here. The car is being tuned. Everything's ready to go. Car is strapped down, ready to go. Sounding sick. Got Freddy in here. Come on. He's ready. This has been a long time coming. Holy fucking shit. So, the changes we've done so far, if you're new to the channel, is I had a 3076 Gen 1 turbo before. Now I have a 3071 Gen 2 GTX. 1100cc injectors, radium fuel rail, and E85. We had stock injectors before. We have our steering cooler, oil cooler, intercooler, BC 264 cams, valve springs retainers, Insignia 09. And he's gonna start doing his magic. But the car looks so beautiful. It looks absolutely incredible. I'm so stoked and ready for this thing to make some power. Woo! All right, Freddy, what are you doing?
Just dialing in the accelerating enrichment so you have a nice crispy throttle.
Oh my god! Oh shit! Woo! Oh, I was not expecting that shit. Woo! crazy. All right, so I think we kind of figured it out. There were some little plugs that were loose and wiggly, they weren't in properly, and that was the issue, I think. Not for sure yet, but it's obviously running properly now. It's very, very, very good. So, going good so far. It sounds crazy. He hasn't done much yet. That was what, 20 pounds? 20 pounds? But it's looking pretty smooth, but it could always be better. Alright, what's up guys? It's the next day. We're back here at Spectuned on the dyno right here. So, I was very busy with work. I had to go to work, and Freddy was nice enough to figure out the car. We thought it was injectors. It was not. We thought it was something with the wiring. It was not. Maybe ECU. It was not. We thought, you know, new car gonna have issues. Turned out to be the cam sensor. That's all it was. We fixed it, got it going, and while I was at work, he actually tuned the car. I'll put all the iPhone clips of him tuning the car right here so you guys can enjoy it and watch the progress of the car. The car made 440 or 50 horsepower, about 400 foot-pounds of torque, which is perfect. We ran out of fuel from the fuel pump, so I think a bigger fuel pump to go higher, like 500. But we'll do that later on. That's plenty of power for now. So later on, we'll do a bigger fuel pump, maybe some other things, and come back and for more power. But enjoy these clips. So we're here. We're gonna go talk to Freddy real quick about with the car and how it went. Okay, so the car made 440 horsepower.
444.
And then about 400 pounds of torque, 398, something like that. That's plenty of power, but like I said, ran out of fuel according to the fuel pump, out of fuel pump. Yeah. So What do you think? What's your opinions on it so far?
Oh, it's rowdy.
Yeah, it's gonna party. It's turbo sick. Again, I switched to the GTX Gen 2 3071 with the 8.2 AR. Had a 6.3 before 3076, but the new generation of turbos definitely is a big difference compared to Gen 1. So I'm excited. So Freddy did an awesome job tuning. Wish I could be here, but we had some problems of stuff and I had to work, but he was nice enough to tune it while I was at work to get it done in time because the deadline is coming in like a day. So ECUMASTER, good program. I think it's a big difference from what I have from stock ECU, obviously. Freddy prefers ECUMASTER and he did a very good job. And if you guys want to tune over in Florida, or if you want to drive a long time, hit up Freddy at Spectuned. He does an amazing job. He's very intelligent. He's a very good guy, and I appreciate everything he's done for me. He wired the whole car, tuned the car, and it is awesome.
Wire anyone's car.
Yeah, he doesn't wire anybody's cars, but I think in a few years when he owns a shop, he'll be smart enough to do it and get you guys' cars perfect. But it's in the future. It can happen. It's possible. Whatever. But he tunes. That's his thing. That's his main thing. If you want to tune, hit him up. He will do an amazing job. You can see improvement in every car he tunes, and that just shows enough right there. He's very awesome. So thank you, Freddy. You're the best. The car rips. Let's go for a drive.
Yeah, get it.
Well, that was scary. Was not expecting that. The car is not aligned and it makes like a crazy amount of power that I haven't driven before. So that plus alignment was terrifying, but the power is nuts. It comes in, I don't even know how to explain it. It's crazy. The torque's crazy. He's crazy. Look at his face. Look at him. Look at him. He loves it. He hates me. Okay, well, that's it for this video. Cars tuned. Next video, preparing for round 3 of clutch kickers. Holy shit, we kind of made it. Wild. A whole rebuild in probably a month and a half, 2 months. That doesn't really happen, and it happened. So thank you to everybody who's put a hand on this car, painted it, mechanical stuff, tuning, wiring, everything. Thank you to everybody who's helped me out. And then the next video, preparing for the round 3, and we're gonna drive this thing with no test day. Yep, bye.